Hey there business circle community, welcome back to the channel with myself Sino M. So here we talk everything business, leadership, and we give some financial tips here and there. So whether you're in South Africa, India, UK, USA, understanding business compliance is essential to avoid penalties, maintain legal standing, and to keep your company running smoothly. So if your business is registered, compliance isn't an option, it's a must. But don't worry, today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about staying compliant with CIPC. So let's just be honest for a minute, nobody wants penalties or to be in trouble legally. So that's why you should stay with me till the end of this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let us get started. So, what exactly is CIPC compliance? The Companies and Intellectual Properties Commission, CIPC, is the governing body responsible for company registrations in South Africa. So, if you run a registered company, you must meet specific legal and financial obligations to remain compliant. So, if you're in the UK, the Companies House functions similarly, and if you're in the USA, the equivalent would be your state business registry or the IRS. Compliance. The key takeaway is that compliance is crucial wherever you operate. So registering your business isn't where it ends. You need to also maintain compliance. The key takeaway: compliance is crucial wherever you operate in the world. So registering your business isn't where it ends. You also need to keep compliant. Before I proceed, if you haven't registered your business with CIPC as yet and want to know how to do that, I have a nice step-by-step video where I guide you with that specifically. So please check out the video in the description box below where you can watch it. So being compliant, my dear business circle, means submitting your annual returns, keeping your director's details up to date at all times, and ensuring that your company's records are in order. If you ignore any of these, you risk getting deregistered, and trust me, you don't want that at all. I'm speaking this from experience from one of my first businesses that I had when I started off in business way back. Do you know what is one of the biggest compliance mistakes that business owners make? Forgetting their annual returns. So every registered company and corporation must file annual returns with CIPC. Think of this like your business's check-in with the government. If you don't file on time, you get charged penalties, and if you ignore it for too long, your company risks getting deregistered. And you may ask, what is the deadline? Your annual returns are due every year on the anniversary of your business registration. So, for example, if you registered your company on the 10th of June, for example, your return is due by the 10th of June every year. It's clear, right? Now let's talk about the directors. If you are a director of any company, you have legal responsibilities beyond just running the business, the operational part, and these include the following: keeping company records up to date at all times. So this is like your registered address for the business operations and each of the directors' details. Number 2, ensuring financial statements are in order. So you can appoint an accountant or an auditor for this to assist you, but as the director, you need to be on top of this and make sure it is done every year to not affect the good standing of your business. Next up, we have making sure the business operates lawfully. So obviously, no cutting corners, try to do everything by the book, and then you should be fine. Here is a very important point for any director out there to take note of, and that is if you fail as a director to meet any of the obligations, CIPC can disqualify you from managing a company in the future. So please don't get yourself disqualified, and just do everything that is required of you to avoid any drama. Similar rules do apply in the UK under the Companies Act of 2006 and the USA under the corporate governance laws. All in all, directors and business owners must maintain records and act in the company's best interests at all times. We are clear, right? It makes sense. And if you're finding value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content. Now, how do you make sure you don't run into compliance problems as an entrepreneur or a business owner? Here are some steps that I'm here to guide you with. 1. Set calendar reminders on your phone for the annual return. So just make sure you don't miss the deadlines, whatever you do. 2. Regularly update your company details with CIPC. So for this one, you can maybe check in on the platform twice a year just to make sure that everything is still up to date and still relevant, and it really doesn't take a lot of time, so you can do this quickly. 3. Keep financial records organized. So as I mentioned earlier, you can make use of an accountant or even a bookkeeper to help assist you with keeping your books in order. And there are also nice accounting softwares available to help you if you prefer to do it yourself. 4, check your compliance status on the CIPC platform or website at least once a year. So just set a reminder on your phone to just remind you also if needed. Now, to help you keep track of everything, because I know it can be overwhelming, I have created a compliance checklist that you can download in the description box below, and it's totally free, so you don't have to worry about paying anything. I've got you this time. To wrap up, CIPC compliance isn't something you can ignore. Stay on top of it, do your annual returns, fulfill your responsibilities as a director, and keep your business records up to date at all times. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more business tips. And don't forget to download your free compliance checklist in the description box below. It's going to make your life so much easier moving forward. See you in the next video.